Can you hear me, chat? Hey, hello. Hello. Me I go talk and go once. It's when me talk, it just I go. You hear me? Listen to me. When I go in a car, right?
Yeah.
You go pick up when I pick up, right?
Yeah.
Why nice boat?
Not talk.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
So no do what I have to do.
We never said that mama talk with it.
You chat too much. You go with them? You them are going to get your food. So you know, want to go with them?
No, they know.
Hey, bring back something nice to Alex. Him say him now come with you now.
Oh, Alex.
Yeah, and then everybody get you something to Aki walk. Alright. Want your Wi-Fi, something else now people. Mad Black me gifters, which moderator would I really do that? What do you mean? That's crazy, guys. Come on, me can't do this. Lie. Which gifters get black? Which gifter is that? Nikki? Hold on. Read the comment. Enough people get black. Nikki. Lies. Me. They are blacking and muting for no reason. Read the comments. And the people get black. Like them. Yes. It's true. But they mute me this morning. Which gifters get black? This is the question may I ask. Moderator, you can't make me see you, please? Just hold on. Hold on. Moderator, a person with the year as a mad, you can't show yourself? And it's not a lie, not a gifter. With the moderator there, moderator you can like any moderator show. Oh, all right. Bad baby, I'm here. Bad baby, hold on there. Just please, right? Your sister may not really have much people around me. Right? Me just ask you if you do something for me, please. See the system, if you have a system, me just what me system? Hold on. Alright. Bad baby, go in there and look for me. Just please me and ask you, do this to me. Right? Look for me if you see any gifters get black. Just do that for me, please. May I ask you? Or mute. I look if you see a gifters get mute. Yeah, please, go in there and look. My daughter, them not there here. They would have go in there and check it out for me. My daughter, then gone. Right? Because you say for so, you better me not have no moderator. I lie, Annie. Yeah, better me go look. Me I go look first. Because people come and give me why reason why people then block them like that. May I send my kids them over there. My kids them are gonna know. It's true. Same way so Annie. Yeah, my kids them are gonna go over there. Like literally. My kids them are gonna look. And get you? I didn't know that.
Your call has been
If you know my colleague can't wait till we're done and just deal with him now. Here. Like you sure you're not gonna deal with him.
You sure?
Alright, I'm gonna come deal with you, alright? Taji, I mean,
What, my Annie?
why do me a favor?
She wrote from not here.
I have two. Any live am I going there? Alright, me have to go find out. Me have two big gifts.
Convert your coins to cash today with Coin Exchange. Visit Coin Exchange machine at select Bill Express locations island-wide with your loose coin collection. No special days, no need for counting, no need for sorting. Coin Exchange machines are fast, fun, and free. Find a location nearest you at gknfonline.com.
Call 876-618-1534 or visit psj.org.
I'm not sure your location.
Standards Jamaica. From lab to market. The power of precision.